Hello and welcome to Niagara College. Open house is one of my favorite times of year, and I wish we were meeting in person at one of our beautiful Niagara College campuses. During these exceptional times, Niagara College is committed to getting you as much information safely and conveniently for you to make an informed decision about the next steps in your education journey. Join us for our virtual open house to explore what makes NC unique and special and what you can expect as one of our students. Explore our pages to learn more about our world-class programs, degree and transfer credit opportunities, and the amazing extras that make student life at Niagara College unmatched. I hope you'll take a virtual tour of both our Daniel J. Patterson campus in Niagara-on-the-Lake and the Welland campus, and view the program-specific videos to learn more about your area of interest and apply to a program, or confirm your offer of admission. Visitors can register and attend online virtual college exploration sessions as well, where our staff will help guide them through researching the educational pathways to land their dream career. Our fantastic staff are waiting to greet you through our live chat and answer any questions, so do not hesitate to join us online today. We can't wait to welcome you to campus in the future to join our over 90,000 alumni who have made their applied dreams come true at Niagara College.